Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Try to Speak. Today's lesson is important because today we are going to learn how to make coconut sweets, and at the same time we can learn how to talk about the present situation using in present tense. So you can see if you love sweets, then it is better to make them in your home because it is healthier and hygienic compared to market sweets. So let's start. So first look at the ingredients. I take one fresh coconut, and I have broken it into two equal pieces, and you can see I have grind it with the help of grinder. You can see how can I grind it. So this way. So I have grind, and so one coconut and jaggery, same quantity. I need same quantity, approximately same quantity, and 1 teaspoon ghee, desi ghee, for fragrance and taste as well. It makes my laddu more tasty, and some cardamom powder. So let's start. I am going to kitchen and notice how can I prepare it. So come along with me. Right now I am going to kitchen. Do you like coconut sweet?
Yes.
Narkal laddu. You can see right now I turn on my stoves and put on pan, and right now it is heating. First I am going to add 1 teaspoon desi ghee and some cardamom powders, and I am adding cardamom for good fragrance and taste as well. So now you can see 1 coconut and some jaggery, it almost same quantity. It almost same quantity I need. And now I am adding the mixture. First I can mix it well, then it will good for preparation. ছোটু বাবু আসবি তো আয় রে, একটু কথা বলবি তো আয়। I mix it and pour into pan. I need shake it. So I am stirring because because it doesn't stick at the bottom of pan. And it is almost 20-25 minutes after it will prepare. এবার বন্ধ করবে তো is becoming thick, so I think it will prepare. Let me check first. No, it is not prepared. I think I need to cook more 5 minutes. It takes more 5 minutes. When mixture will be ready, I need first let it cool, and after that I am shaping into laddu. So now you can see mixture is almost cool. Now I am going to shape into laddu.